channel. I'm here in Vancouver, Washington. I arrived early yesterday morning at like 1 a.m. into Portland, so I'm just north of Portland right now. I'm heading out to Ocean Shores, Washington, which is obviously on the coast. And it's about 2.5 hours away from here, so I'm going to try to surf. There's a surf shop that's open today and does surfboard rentals as well as wetsuits. You definitely need a wetsuit out here. I didn't realize how many American surf shops rent wetsuits. When I went to Europe, they call it hiring wetsuits, so that's super convenient. You don't have to pack your wetsuit or anything. So I'm gonna try that out, and then from there head to Eastern Washington. I was supposed to climb Gilbert Peak with my family. It's in the Goat Rocks Wilderness. I'll link the video from last year, from our climb last year up here. But we were supposed to climb it, and I had all these like wild swims and backcountry camping, wild camping, if you will, planned and everything. I was gonna camp at this lake that's near Gilbert Peak. Yesterday, unfortunately, the area around on Highway 12 went up in flames. There's a wildfire, so my mom sent me the link, and kind of good thing she did. I'm glad I didn't go a day earlier, because I would have had to evacuate. So, but anyway, I'm sure Google Maps, they do come up with like, you know, the roads closed and stuff like that. But I'll have to take an alternative pass to get into Yakima, mountain pass that is. Yeah, so plans are changing hourly. We're probably going to do some day hikes around Yakima. I would really like to use my tent since I brought my entire backpack, like rucksack, hiking backpack. I also kind of want to sleep in the bed of this truck. It's a Jeep Gladiator that I'm renting, but I think the truck bed is only 5 feet long. Usually truck beds are 6 feet long. I am barely over 5 feet tall, so I might fit in the back, kind of. It'll be a little crammed, but I kind of want to try that out, but probably not in Yakima, because its nickname is Crackama. We'll see what happens. The waves are really rough off the Washington and Oregon coast, but I do want to mark Washington off on my list of states I've surfed. As long as I just catch one wave, I'll be happy. All right, so the conditions are they're not great, but this is typical Washington, Oregon. At least the waves aren't really like pummeling. I think I can wade out and get some waves. I'm really good at catching small waves, like very tiny waves. So I'm gonna go to the surf shop that's 2 minutes away and see if they will rent me a board and wetsuit. I mean, they should. They said on their website they will. So I'm not gonna go out the back. It's just too much, and I can tell there's like a rip current out here, or some sort of current that's going to make it really difficult to get out, and I just want to catch one wave. That's it. I mean, I'll probably catch more than that, but I'm cool with just catching one wave and saying I've surfed my home state. I've boogie boarded, I think at Ocean Shores, but other places in Washington as well. Haven't been back to Ocean Shores since probably late 2000s. We went camping here once with my brother and sister-in-law, and somebody shot a bottle rocket at my brother, and it like went through his sweatshirt and burned him. Not badly though. First time driving a Jeep on the beach. I'm right on the beach. This is so amazing. You cannot do this on the East Coast. I mean, I think you can get a permit on Assateague Island in Maryland for this to like drive on the beach, but it's expensive. But holy crap, like look at this. Like all these people can just drive right up. I have to return this in 2 hours. I don't think I'm gonna be out that long. She did tell me not to ride the board up onto the beach because it'll break the fins off, which I always do anyway, with my own board, of course. But since this is a rental, I'll try not to. I've never busted the fins off on my own foams, or any foamy that I've ridden onto the beach. They also just like pop back in really easily. So I was able to put the board in the back and just drive a couple blocks from the surf shop out to here. And just leave all my valuables in the truck, and yeah, can keep an eye on it. So amazing. Just one cross step, but it's good enough. It's also able to turn, which by looking in the direction I'm turning, which I learned the Women in Waves surf school. So I'm excited I was able to execute that. Ooh. Oh. I got to pet him. Oh, he's so cute. He had zoomies. For more surfing content, including warm and cold water surfing, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.